Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we know that many of you are having to close down. The easy way to cancel classes so that Edsby is not prompting you for attendance is to go into the Twine SIS and uncheck the days that you are not having classes at this time. And this will only affect the classes going forward. So say you were closed from March 18th on. Today is the 18th, so unchecking the 18th won't change today, but we'll uncheck the 19th. We'll have to click twice to uncheck. And then save before moving on to the next month if you happen to need to go further than the end of March. And we'll uncheck what's needed here, save, and then it will sync over to Edsby. Those classes will then show as there is no, well, Edsby will show that there is no school on those days, so those classes will not be scheduled and teachers will not be prompted for attendance. We hope this helps. Please stay safe and stay well.